Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change your Riot Games password. First, open your browser and go to account.riotgames.com. Once you are on the page, sign in using your Riot account. Enter your username and password, and then complete the login process. After you log in, you will be taken to your account management page. Here you will see a section called Riot Account Sign In. Click on it. Inside this section, you will find the option to change your password. When you open it, you will see three fields. The first field is for your current password. The second field is where you type your new password. The third field is to confirm your new password by typing it again. Make sure your new password is strong and something you can remember. It should include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. Once you have filled out all three fields, double-check that the information is correct. Then click on Save Changes. Your Riot Games password will be updated. Next time you log in, use your new password. That is all you need to do to change your Riot Games password. Thanks for watching.